One of the most common symptoms we see in sick pets is nausea. But how do you know your pet's feeling sick to their tummy? It's not like they can tell us, right? Today I'm going to share three maybe not so obvious signs that your pet may be feeling a little bit queasy so that you can keep an eye out for them and bring it to your vet's attention if you need to. The first sign is, believe it or not, drooling. Sometimes pets will drool when they feel nauseated. Now, drooling can happen for other reasons. It can be because they've got pain in their mouth or they have dental disease. So it's not always because of nausea, but it is one possibility. The second thing that they will do is kind of like lick their lips or swallow a lot. So what you'll see is they'll be going like kind of like that. That can be a sign of feeling queasy as well. Now, sometimes dogs will do this in response to anxiety. So, again, it's not the only reason, but if you're seeing it when your pet's just kind of sitting there and hanging out, then you should probably get that looked into. The final thing is if your fur baby is not eating as well as they used to, or if they're not eating at all. One thing I've seen in pets that seem to be more nauseated is they'll be interested in the food initially when it's offered, but then they'll kind of sniff at it and turn their head away, and then they won't want anything to do with it after that. So if you're seeing that again, nausea may be the reason. So now that you know to look for these three signs, you can bring them to your veterinarian's attention and figure out what the next steps might be. And that might be just figuring out what the underlying reason is and correcting that, and or maybe giving some medication to make them feel a little bit better. My name is Carolyn Nahn, and I am the owner and medical director of Arms of Aloha, where we believe every pet deserves peace, comfort, and dignity at the end of life. If this was helpful to you, please do share it with your friends. And if you have suggestions for other topics, leave me a comment below. Mahalo.